State lawmakers, district attorneys, sheriffs, and child advocacy leaders are putting out a warning to the public that funding cuts could gut services for children who have faced physical or sexual abuse very soon.
Without these offices, we're going to see perpetrators walk away because you'll see young victims that won't have the tools they need to cooperate, and criminals, the worst of the worst criminals, child sex offenders, can walk away as a result of losing these services.
Child Advocacy Centers are funded largely through the state grants tied to the Federal Victims of Crime Act, but new cuts are now eliminating funding for 6 centers statewide, including the Steuben County CAC and the CAC of the Finger Lakes. The Schuyler CAC will also lose most of its funding, wiping out services in Schuyler County altogether.
It's really hard not to feel emotional because, having worked in the field, I think of little faces that I've seen over and over and over again. And I think about, if they had to go to court and they didn't have an advocate and a therapist and a well-trained prosecutor by their side, all working together to make that happen.
These centers give kids a safe, child-friendly space for forensic interviews after abuse allegations, and they help families connect to medical care. Law enforcement says that a coordinated approach is critical.
The majority of our county is served by the sheriff's office and the state police, and without that unique capability, there would be countless victims that would never be heard.
Lawmakers and advocates say without state action, that coordination and the protection it provides to victims could disappear for families across the region.
We're not grossly wasting the funds that are coming in. We are always trying to stretch because the needs of children continue to evolve and they are forever increasing. Our numbers are increasing. So I'm just pleading, I'm begging actually, make it whole. And it's not just our center, but this goes way beyond that. And it's going to affect all of us.
Haley Livingston, Big Fox News, Southern Tier.